Next step now, a bit of Carol here. And just clean all the muck off the bottom of the sump here. And we'll give her a good dry with a clean cloth. And now let's replace the gasket here. Now we'll lamp this out now and just a bit of kerosene or Jazer on, get her hand up, clean up the sump. Clean any muck out on the bottom of the sump. So now we'll clean up the sump now and dry it, and we'll pour a new filter, and we'll get a wee clean around the gearbox here. I want you to let her down to the right bucket there. So we'll clean around here with a cloth now, make sure nothing goes into the transmission. Put on our filter and sum her up. I'll fill it with fresh oil, so we've got the bung here. It's a wee locking cap. A wee screwdriver in there and this pops out. That'll split. This will open, and we'll fill it in with clean fluid.